If you need some peace and quiet from your kids and need to keep them entertained,
but you don't want to just stick a screen in front of their face,
here's a quick tip on how to turn virtually any movie on Disney Plus into an engaging audio experience. Hit the theme. Whenever my kids are home during the day, they usually have quiet time around noon. Because nothing beats being able to sit down and have a nice, quiet lunch. Am I right, parents? So what I've been doing these days is I go to Disney Plus on a mobile device, choose one of the many animated movies, and then I change one little feature. I'm going to be doing this on an iPad, but in theory, any mobile device should suffice. Let's jump in.
Alright, so let's go ahead and open up the Disney Plus app. Here's the home screen. In this example, let's go to Star Wars, because why not? And let's choose The Mandalorian. Sure, let's just resume the episode that was already started. And once it has started, see that little box in the upper right hand corner? This brings up the audio and subtitle options. Choose audio description. And then X out of that menu, go ahead and lock the device. And then illuminate the home screen again, and then press play from the home screen. And voila!
Now you've turned a Disney movie into an audio storyteller version. The audio description acts as the narrator, so that way the kids can follow along with the story while building Legos, drawing, or any other quiet time activity.
Note:
kids are rascals. Can we all agree on that? So of course they'd rather watch the movie instead. So here are 3 tips to take into account when you're dealing with those rascals.
1,
Put a passcode on the device that they don't know.
2,
I get it though. Sometimes you want them to be a little independent, put the passcode in, navigate through the mobile device on their own so they don't have to come bother you. Kind of like the case with my 6-year-old right now. So if you're playing the audio through the mobile device itself, put it up high, somewhere they can't reach, but somewhere they can still hear the audio.
In this scenario, I personally put it up high on this shelf in the closet so the audio still fills the room.
3,
If you have a Bluetooth speaker, you can put it on their level while keeping the mobile device out of reach. This is also handy if you need to charge the device in an adjacent room while still being able to hear the story, if needs be.
bonus tip.
Lastly, if you plan ahead, I would recommend downloading the movie to your mobile device first. It's not absolutely necessary, but streaming anything over the internet isn't always going to be 100% reliable, especially your internet connection. You know who you are. But there have been times where my daughters have come to me and said that it just stopped streaming for no apparent reason. So to avoid having to troubleshoot that possible situation, just download it first. You'll thank me later.
So there you have it, folks.
This also applies to some TV shows and movies on Netflix, but Disney Plus just seems to be the superior source when it comes to kids' titles that have the audio description option. Let me know how it goes in the comments below. Did your kids like it? Don't knock it till you try it. Be sure to like and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos like this. And of course, always be listening.
I got merch. Link in description. I got Bandcamp. Link in description. I got a Patreon. Link in description. I got Etsy. Link in description. I got a kids book. Link in description. And don't forget, always be listening.